In this video, I will detail how to enable floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you are using either the standard keyboard or right or left keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can easily enable or turn on the floating keyboard feature on your device. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General Management. Under General Management, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. Now you want to scroll down until you get to mode and click on it. Now once you selected mode, you have portrait view and standard view. If you want to enable floating keyboard in portrait view, all you just need to do is turn this on. Then go back to your keyboard while testing, click on it. Then you should have your keyboard floating just like this. You see that? So you can increase or decrease the transparency. So that is how you can easily enable floating keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can also disable this floating keyboard. While on the mode page, click on it and then choose either one-hand keyboard or standard keyboard. However, you can also enable floating keyboard in landscape view on your Samsung phone by selecting floating keyboard. Once you selected that, go ahead and open your text message chat or open the keyboard on your phone and then enable rotation and should see the floating keyboard turn on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this is how you can easily enable floating keyboard on Samsung phone. To disable this, you just need to follow through the same process. Under mode in the Samsung keyboard settings, make sure you disable floating keyboard and choose either standard or split keyboard. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.